September we met, I could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good girl like...
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a makeup look. This is nothing but a festival, that is Diwali makeup look. As you can see, this is the look I have created. It is very simple. I have created this look using budget products and really affordable and commonly available products. So if you are interested, please keep on watching, and if you're someone new and looking at this face for the first time, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, and also do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without any further delay, let's straight away get into the video. So for the simple look, I am going to start with a clean base or clean canvas. So I have already moisturized my skin, and on top of that I am going to add a primer. Primer is nothing but a barrier between the makeup or foundation you're going to put and your real skin. So the primer I'm using today is from Blue Heaven. This is a primer which is translucent and also comparable to Colorbar primer. When compared to the rate of Colorbar primer, this is half the price of it, and really works well. So if you are looking for a budget friendly option, I would suggest you to use this particular primer. I'm going to apply this primer wherever necessary, wherever I feel like I have bumps and texture. So my next step is nothing but foundation. Once you have applied your primer, make sure that you're giving some time for your primer to settle down. I'm going to use the basic foundation, which is well suited for most of the skin types, and also you have a lot of shades, shade range and shade varieties. Nothing but Maybelline Fit Me, and my shade is 310 Sunbeam. I'm going to take very little amount of foundation because I'm not going for very high coverage here. Today's look, my necessity is nothing but to make my face look one color, and I like a little bit of skin peeking through my foundation. So that's the look I'm going to go with. I'm going to take a little bit of foundation, I'm going to dot it around my face, and using a kabuki brush I'm going to blend that foundation out. I know my face might look a little bit white right now, but trust me guys, it's because of the light. It's raining right now, and my only source of light is a ring light I have in front of me, and that is why it is looking a little bit pale. Generally my skin is oily to combination skin, and whatever foundation I use, I need to choose a foundation shade which is a little bit lighter to my skin tone, maybe one shade lighter, so that after some time the foundation gets oxidized and it sets to my skin tone. I'm going over with the sponge just to make sure that there are no creases and lines, and the foundation looks a little more natural. The next thing I'm going to do is concealing. So for the concealer, I'm going to use the same range. It's again in the affordable range, again the Maybelline Fit Me range, and I'm in the shade 30 Honey. So I'm just going to dab a little bit of concealer very lightly. This is equal to my skin tone, that is why I'm going to dab wherever necessary. For me, especially my under eyes, I need some concealer. And I'm going to go under my brows and on my inner corner. So for blending out my concealer, I'm using this flat foundation brush, and I'm going to slowly blend in its place. Once this is done, I'm going to do my brows, which I'm going to do off camera. Next, let's straight away get into the eyeshadow part. So the palette I'm using right now is from Makeup Revolution. It's the Reloaded palette in the shade Hypnotic. So the shade I'm going to take first is this one, which is coralish kind of shade. So I'm going to use the shade all over my lid and blend it well. So the next shade I'm going to use is from the same Makeup Revolution palette, but this is Reloaded palette in the shade Red Alert. So I'm going to use this deep wine color shade. Take this in a flat shader brush and smoke my lash line off. Next step I'm going to do is I'm going to use a liquid glitter eyeshadow. This is from the brand called Swiss Beauty and in the shade 03 Champagne. So I'm going to use this liquid eyeshadow from the inner corner of my eyelids till the middle part. So that's gonna give you a nice glittery look. Semi-dry, I'm going to use this particular shade, glittery shade from the Hypnotic palette. I'm going to take it using my fingers and going to enhance the shine of this eyeshadow. Next step I'm going to do is apply kajal. I'm going to apply kajal only from my outer corner till the middle part. The kajal I'm using today is from Nykaa. It's their I Am Black kajal. This is the darkest kajal I know. And I'm also going to tight line. I'm going to set my concealer. So our concealer is a little bit vulnerable to getting creased, so we do not want that. That is why I'm going to set my under eyes with the powder first before I'm going to finish my under eyes. So the powder I'm going to use here is from Maybelline again. This is a Fit Me powder. To take a little bit darker shade, this is medium deep, a little bit darker, and also cancel out my darkness underneath. That is why I prefer this shade over the shade which suits my skin tone. I'm going to take a slight bit of powder. I'm not going to over powder it because I do not want my under eyes to be dry. So just take the right amount of powder you need and pat it. So yeah, I have applied my powder, yet to blend it. Before the blending, I'm going to do my lower lash line. For lower lash line, I'm going to take the same wine color and going to apply it. You can see my lower waterline is done. Now I'm going to dust off the excess powder. So the next step we have here is mascara, which I do not forget, especially if you are not wearing false lashes. It's really necessary you get a good mascara so that your eyelashes can be enhanced. I am someone who doesn't like false eyelashes. My eyes water when I try to apply false eyelashes, so I generally don't apply them. I don't buy them. Instead I use nice mascara. So the mascara I'm using today is the L'Oreal Paris / Paradise mascara, which is a holy grail product right now. So the next step I'm going to do is the rest of the face. So for blush, I'm going to use a tint. This is the watery tint from Face Shop, and the shade name is Pink Bella. For lipstick, I'm using I Amsterdam Early Glory is the shade name. I'm going to top it off with the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Ruffle Trim. I'm just gonna dab it. I'm not gonna go all over and paint my lips. As you can see, this shade is a little bit darker for my liking, and that is why I'm using Ruffle Trim to tone it down. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you're recreating any of this look, make sure you tag me on my social media handle. The links will be down below in the description box for your ease of following me. So see you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.